Hi, I'm Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog, and today I'm going to be featuring some things I got from BoxyCharm. This is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation. What? Rare is the time that I have gotten a foundation, an actual foundation from BoxyCharm. And I think part of the reason why some subscription boxes may shy away from it is because it's so personal as far as, you know, being individual to your undertone as well as to your skin tone. So I can't wait to try this, and I will be reviewing this. But I heard about this and I'm so happy it's in my box. Love it. Love, love, love. And this is a neutral. 5 neutral. I'm a neutral tone, so I'm already excited about that. Have never tried Charlotte Tilbury's foundation, so I'm excited about that. And what's the retail price for this? $44 US. And we're already off to a rollicking start. So the next thing I have here actually is called Big Bang, and this is the Big Bang Mascara from ATHR Beauty. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but if I do find the phonetic read of it, I will post it somewhere here. But the name of the company is ATHR, and there's some sort of accent over the A. So maybe it's author, not sure. The retail price for this is $28 US. The Ultimate Lash Maximizing Black Diamond Infused Mascara that truly does it all for out of this world length, volume, curl, and definition. Never heard of this brand, have I? Have I heard of ATHR? I don't know. If I have something on it, I'll try to locate it and put it up, but I don't know if I have an exclusive video just for this brand. I may have gotten something from a prior beauty subscription box, but I'm not sure. This is from the Hue. I've heard of them. NUE, the new company. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This is the Pill All-in-One Serum. Ooh. This is a single daily dose of high-potency actives designed to remove dead skin cells, increase cell regeneration, hydrate, and depuff the skin. That's a tall order. Containing the best of clinical and natural, it delivers a one-step solution to layering multiple acids safely. Okay, so this is like a 3 steps in 1 type of thing. That's odd, but if it saves me a step or a couple on my skincare routine, why not? The NUE company, and the price for this is, oh my, $85 US. What? And how many ounces is this? I'm just curious. It's vitamin C plus AHA plus HIA. Wait a minute. So this is 1.01 fluid ounce. $85. Ooh. Whoa. I'm afraid to drop this. And it feels like solid, like it might be encased in glass, but let's just, no, it's just heavy. I don't know. It could be just a heavy plastic, but it comes like this and it has a pump. Let's see if it, oh, maybe it has a protective covering here. I'll just see. No. Ooh, the scent is pretty potent. I guess that's the acids in it. I want to say it smells like a plant that fermented a bit. That's what it smells like. The pill. I guess you have to, oh wait, you turn this knob a little bit here from left to right, and then it pumps. But yeah, that smell, oof. It smells like a fermented plant. That's the best way I could describe it. Yeah, just, if you've tried this, just let me know in the comments below, and let me know what scent you get from it. This box already is more than the price of the box itself, right off the bat. The next thing in here is from Ciate London. Ooh, one of the old familiar brands here. And this is their Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. I believe I've gotten this in somewhere else before. I'm not sure. But lately it's all about the glass or the glowy skin. That it looks very hydrated, very plump. So I like Ciate. I really do. So I am looking for, I could have sworn I've seen this before. I will go and look for it, but all right. The next thing I have here is from, this is what smells so good. I feel like I'm at the spa or I'm at one of those places that sells like really nice scented soap. That's, like if I step into Lush, this is what it smells like. This is from the brand Aromatherapy Associates, their De-Stress Muscle Gel. Ooh, this is unique. I can't remember the last time I got a muscle gel, so that's different. I wonder how much this costs. Experience the cooling, comforting, and transformative power of invigorating black pepper, warming ginger, and detoxifying rosemary. Ooh, and this award-winning gel, the perfect antidote to an intense workout or a demanding day. I don't know about you, but I appreciate skincare, hair care, as well as makeup. So the fact that I'm getting a lot of products that seem to be skin oriented, I'm over the moon. Over the moon. And finally, last but certainly not least, I have something from Grace and Stella, and these are their eye masks. This says everything is better in pink eye mask. Okay, and this is a collagen boosting eye mask. The price for this is $24 US. These pretty in pink eye masks are focused on firming and hydrating the under eyes. Skincare calls to me. Would I wish for something extra? I mean, there wasn't actual makeup oriented as far as like eyeshadow or blush or anything like that. That's okay. I did like the focus on the skincare, just plain skincare, plumping, firming, moisturizing, repairing. I'm all about that. If I had a choice for something extra, I would have definitely liked to have something in hair care in there. That would have made it so super sweet, complete. I would have just been like, oh, but I'm really happy with the box for March. The March Premium box really brought it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching me and joining me and taking time out of your day to check out this latest video. And I hope to see you on my next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.